I'm guessing you're ready to present legal evidence of Frederson's misconducts.
It wasn't Frederson.
Everything is pointing towards him.
I will present the true culprits soon enough.
Well, I don't really care how long it takes you. This will be Frederson's last day.
What a fancy... It says... It's a letter for an application for a promotion to senior customer signed by L. I cracked it. Let's see what secret she has on her computer. Who is this person she's messaging? This folder says, Manual for CSA, How and When to Create Voucher. I'm falling asleep just reading the title. The two desks on this side look unused. It's a list of the most busy driver out of all four.
They really think I've done it! Duck Detective, you have to help me! You know it wasn't me, right?
You'll just have to trust me. That explains all the high-grade salami. I just needed to find out who was behind this. The mystery of the salami bandit was slowly getting un- This is why, out of buying high-grade salami in the West, smuggling it to the East, and selling it at a high profit. Also, for some reason, Sophie received a letter from the salami bandit that had a hidden, threatening message. This was serious. I had to question all of the Thanks for coming, everyone. Well, everyone except for... Where is she?
Slacking off, playing on her computer phone, like usual.
She's having problems with her family. She was at her desk and said she needed a moment.
I will start then regardless. I have made my deductions and drawn some serious conclusions.
Oh, finally! Is Freddy getting...
Who is the murderer?
What? No one!
I'm getting framed! I'm telling you!
What a load of baloney.
He is right, actually. He is getting framed.
What? Why would anyone bother?
Ah, that is the question, isn't it? Why would anyone bother?
Get to the point.
It's through my observations that I uncovered a conspiracy.
This is ridiculous! Why are we still listening to a random doc that waddled into this office? I'm leaving.
I'm a certified private
It's okay. Just tell us what you know.
Salami is being smuggled from Salsiccia using your very own buses.
Huh? What's going on? Okay, this is going too far. I really have more important things to do.
Now that is really scandalous. Does that mean we're losing our jobs?
Listen, everybody! It's really important that no one leaves the premises.
I need to get back to work.
Oh, everybody's leaving?
I'm still here.
Yeah. It's a heart-shaped necklace. Looks...
This is getting intense, isn't it? Maybe you could need a little help? You seem lonely. I could be your assistant. What do you want me to do? Decipher messages? Talk someone into telling us the truth? Follow people around? I'm pretty good at that.
Just stay here.
Like this?
Yep, you're doing great.
Are you writing another book?
No.
I could be your ghostwriter.
I'll think about it. Oh, I doubt they washed their hands after leaving that greasy. Someone gifted so it says limit.
hire me at this. Oh, maybe I can be a real estate agent. I always wanted to be a rich real estate agent.
Why would Laura recruit you to deal with the theft? Aren't there any other detectives who are actually qualified for the job?
I've been doing very well so far, if I do say so myself. The truth will be revealed in the end. You definitely don't want to be Laura's enemy. This folder says, how and... I'm falling asleep just read. Someone is clearly upset.
It's not really a detective's job to spin crazy conspiracy theories, is it?
Sometimes the truth is pretty crazy.
Seems a bit cheap. Look what you've... Now everyone is dilly...
Was that different before?
It's not really a detective...
Sometimes the truth...
Seems a...
Finally, Manfred is out of his office. Time to see what's behind his precious family portrait. I did it! Oh, I always wanted to open a ridiculous... Let's see what secrets he has in here. Awful lot of security for a branch manager of a... Wait. This... Here it is! The key for the serv... What a fancy... It says,